Sammy again from iHealth Visa Consultancy. Natapos mo na ba ang aming webinar orientation? Nakapili ka na ba ng pathway na gusto mong applyan? If yes, you can proceed sa ating one-on-one consultation. So ano nga ba ang mga inclusion ng iyong paid one-on-one consultation? First, resume evaluation. We need to check if you are eligible sa pathway na napili mo. Second, requirements needed for your visa, timeline, process flow, financial analysis, and of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang aming detailed promotion. Alam mo ba na nag-o-offer si iHealth Visa Consultancy ng Visa First, Fee After. It means masasecure mo muna ang approval mo bago mo isettle ang aming visa processing fee. So ano pang inaantay mo? Contact your agent and book for your one-on-one consultation. Once again, Sammy Saison from iHealth Visa Consultancy. Your dream is our mission.